Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Play Soon. In this video, we're going to solve one more problem on shortest job first in preemptive method. That is shortest remaining time first. So this is the 24th video in the series of operating system. If you haven't watched my previous videos yet, make sure you watch them. So let's get started with today's example problem. In today's example problem, we have three processes P1, P2 and P3. We have their arrival time and burst time given here. We are supposed to calculate average waiting time and average turnaround time by applying SRTF. SRTF is nothing but shortest remaining time first, which is nothing but shortest job first scheduling algorithm in preemptive mode. Okay, so let's get started with today's problem. So whenever you want to start executing process, it starts with the point 0, right? At 0, there is one process arriving, that is P1, and it has burst time of 9. So P1 will be executed. But you can see here at time 1, P2 is arriving with less burst time, and according to SJF, the process which have less burst time is given more priority, and this is preemptive. So we can break P1. That's why P1 will be executed till P2 is arriving. That is till 1 P1 will be executed. So out of 9, 8 will be still remaining. After that, we will go with P2. P2 consists of 4 burst time. So 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. P2 execution is completed. Now we are left with P1 and P3. Here you can see the time is 5 and P1 is arrived. Also P3 is also arrived. But P1 is having less burst time, that is 8, and P3 is having more burst time, that is 9. Therefore we'll continue with P1. 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. P1 is completed. Now 13 plus 9, 22. P3 is also completed. So this is how we draw the Gantt chart for this problem. I hope you understood how we draw the Gantt chart. If you have any doubts, make sure you comment below. Now, noting down all the exit times of the processes. P1 is completed its execution at point 30, P2 completed at 5, and P3 completed at 22. So, with the help of this exit time, we can calculate the turnaround time. Turnaround time is equals to exit time minus arrival time. So, 13 minus 0 is equals to 13, 5 minus 1 is equals to 4, 22 minus 2 is equals to 20. This is how we calculate turnaround time. So to calculate average turnaround time, sum of all the turnaround time by total number of processes. That gives us 12.33. Similarly, we can also calculate the waiting time, that is turnaround time minus burst time. So 13 minus 9 is equals to 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, 20 minus 9 is equals to 11. Once you get the waiting time, you can calculate average waiting time by adding all these values divided by 3, that is equals to 5. So this is how we calculate turnaround time, waiting time. This is how we draw the Gantt chart for shortest job first in preemptive mode, that is SRTF. So if you have any doubts, make sure you comment below. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please subscribe to our channel. Get Play Soon.